Good day. Good day. Excuse me. Good day. Come on, Flem, get out of there. Okay. We're looking at the MNQ, the 1 minute. That's where the setups were today, is on the 1 minute. Okay, let's put them in. Just like that. And I don't want you to think I'm cheating. I may be tweaking, but I ain't cheating. Okay. Oh, it's level. Level divergence, it looks like. Yeah, that's level divergence. Level divergence doesn't exist. It only exists in my mind because I used to be a bricklayer and I used to use a bubble level to make, the bricks or the blocks level. There's also plumb too, eh? It's got to be plumb, level, tail. That's the trick to bricklaying. Plumb, level, tail. Once you do that, you can lay some bricks or blocks. Okay, how long ago did I fucking do that? I was 24 when I started bricklaying. 24 to 30. It's like 34 years ago. Holy fuck. It's too long ago. It's a lifetime ago. Is what it is. Okay, there's that divergence. Level, it's level. See, here it's level. See what is sold right in here. This is the 1 minute, okay, ladies and gents. You would have sold right in there, boom. And it would have went down to here. You would have made good. You would have been good. And the second trade is a higher close candle. Sell it. And down it goes. And we'll spread that open a little bit so we can see everything. Now, we also had some more divergence, but it's a little tricky. It's just a little tricky to effectively draw it in, but something like that. Okay. And this one going up. Boom, there's that one. See? And you would have got long right in here. Boom, shakalaka. And the second one to do that, which is a lower close, buy it up it goes, is right there. Boom, and up it goes. And then it went into this sideways shuffle, which it is divergent also. And it was a loser to the downside. See right here? No, it's right here. I don't even want to draw it in. Okay, right here to here, I guess. Yeah. It was a loser. If you would have sold there, it went up. It would have been a loser. But if we were to go and look at the 2 minute, I guarantee you right here where it's telling us to sell, watch. It will not be where we want it to be. 2 minute. Yeah, see, it's right here. It crossed down, but it didn't give the proper gap between the two EMAs. So it would have been a no trade. If you looked at the 2 minute, we were looking at the 1 minute, then we went up a time frame to the 2 minute. Okay? So let's go back to the 1 minute, because that's where the trades are today. Yeah, there was no sell in here, or in here. There was no sell. However, if we kind of tweak this a little bit, I'm looking for every trade here. Mode Z, huh? Right there. Okay, double bottom. Oh, I hear the choo-choo train. Okay, yeah, so something like that. I don't know. Or no, it's right here. Double bottom. It's not perfect. It's a little shy on the right side. And this one going up, meaning the price is going to go up. And that's what it did. It went up. You would have got long in here. Boom. Boom, shakalak, up it went slowly. Okay, that's the 1 minute time frame. And now we can look at the 5 minute. Let's look at the 5. Johnny come alive. Let's look at the 5. Okay, the 5 trades right here. We got a high and a higher high and a higher high. Two higher highs. My, oh my, a higher high. And from here, right down to here, just like that. Or right to here, boom. And we would have been a sellers from up high. You know how we always look to buy from down low and sell from up high? Yeah, but not at the high or the low of that move. No, we don't want to try and, do some top picking. No top picking. No. So it would have been a sell right there, and then we came down and we went up and we have, I'm pretty sure it's divergent. Right here, higher highs. Just like that. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, see it? Yeah. Yes. And we would have been sellers right in there, okay? And down it went rather quickly because this, here, let me move all these arrows. Look at all the arrows, man. Okay, you take off now. That's it. Too many arrows I put on the other chart to mark in all the other little trades. There was no divergence down here because the right side, you see the right side, here's the left side. This needs to be less than the left side, and it's not. So there's no divergence to buy it from down here to up here. Okay, I hope that all makes sense. Sorry for all the lines and arrows, but I probably should have done it on the other chart. Oh well. And that was the 5 minute. Yes, so we looked at the 1 minute and the 5 minute, and there were setups today, and there are winners like every day. I don't know what else to say. 8 out of 10 are freaking winners. We found that one bad trade there. Oh, we wouldn't even took it if we would have looked at a higher time frame. So they're all winners today, all winners. Okay, let's look at MetaTrader 4. Now, here's the 5 minute. I think I marked that trade. I don't know. Is that? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, I just marked that one. There it is again. Sell and down it goes. There's that double top, whatever here. That would have went bad on us. Or no, I think it went down. I'm all mixed up with that. I'm sorry. I think it's this one. Yeah, there was a sell right here. This right here is this right here. Or no, this one right here. It would have worked out. Okay, let's look at S&P. Hit the freaking pivot, huh? Okay. See, it's basically the same trade. See? 1, 2, 3, ding, 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 higher highs. Like this down to there. Yeah. and down we sell off. Today, actually yesterday I got it, or the day before, I got this product, okay? It's called hydrogenated water, okay? And they spell this brand HYDROH.com. You can go there and check it out. I am not an affiliate. I'm not trying to make sales and make money with this. I just want to tell you that it's a really good product. It can help you to heal up inflammation, and if you have arthritis in your fingers, like, I'm not kidding you. Yesterday I drank this glass of this hydrogenated water, and my hands have been aching for the last few days, but they've been aching for years. Okay? Like I told you about the aluminum, right? So anyway, yesterday I drank one bottle. Right away, within an hour, all the aching and the pain in my fingers were gone. They were gone, D-man. And another thing, my left hand, because that's where I had the strokes before, my left hand, the left side of my head, and my arm and my left hand, right? It's all messed up. It's like I couldn't make a fist yesterday. But after I drank this water, the hydrogenated water, oh my God, I can make fists now. Not that I want to make fists, but I'm just saying it was that quick. And it takes out inflammation, swelling and redness. I have redness on my legs, lower legs, from my knees down. Like, I'm a really hurting unit here. And I've tried a few different things, and wow, man, this hydrogenated water is amazing. I give it a 10 thumbs up, 10 stars, 1,000% good stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you about it. Up to you if you want to try it. It's called hydro.com, HYDROH.com. Check it out if you like. It's blown me away. Like, I couldn't sleep last night. I've been up all night, and I don't even feel tired right now. It's because I started drinking this water, and like, I'm on a natural high. Like, I can't fall asleep because I feel so good. It's amazing, man. It's freaking amazing. Check out the site, man. Check it out. It's good. It's good. Okay. Let's go to the Dow. It's not really divergent here. This side is bigger than this side. It needs to be less. So there's no divergence to sell it. The only thing I see is one trade here. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. There's another one up here, but I wouldn't do it up here. I would do this one because it's close to the middle of the range. Okay. Pound dollar, we're looking at the 15-minute. Better go down to the 5. Oh yeah, we had divergence right here. Higher highs to the top of the wick, and a lower low. See? Boom. Just like that. And we would have got short right in there, and it didn't go very far. What, 5 pips? Oh, 10 pips. 10 pips it went. Yeah, here's more divergence again. Look at this one. It looks like it could be a beautiful thing on the chart, but it's not. It's fucking not, man. Like, look at this. Look at how divergent this is down here. Okay, so if we got long in here, look. Oh, it went up 16 pips today. Oh my God, we're rich. We're rich. Okay, let's look at the euro. Oh, chop, 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 chop. Euro fucked everybody today. Yeah, it's all bad, man. No, I'm not marking that chart. Let's move on to the pound yen. Pound yen, and what did we do? Okay. It had the same trade off the wick, off the news wick, or whatever that was. Yeah, that was the news wick. At 8:30, and we had this come down like this. And we would have had an arrow right there. Boom. Sell it, and it went down. This is pound yen. Went down 36 pips. Was there another? Yeah, there's another trade here too. Double bottom right there. And yeah, right there like that. Click, click, click. A lot of clicking I do. If my right hand gets screwed up, I won't be able to do this anymore. That's why I'm hoping this hydro water is going to help cure me and make me better. Sure make me better from yesterday. How far did this go up? Oh, 45 pips. That's pound yen. Euro yen. Oh, it's going to say the same thing, but no. There's a trade here in the UK session. Double bottom right there. Ding, ding. See? Buy right in here. Up it goes. 94 pips on the euro yen. Okay. Cool. Buy right there, and up she goes. Okay, cool. All right, let's look at oil. Oh, some trick here. Well, I don't know if it's a trick, but 1630, they dumped the oil. 44 points, and they dumped it down. I guess we could say this is divergent. Higher highs. There, that's divergent. You would have sold right in here. And you would have got in before that big spike down, and it went down 47, 48 points. That is oil. That's the only setup. Okay, and then now gold. What did gold give us? Well, it gave us lower lows right there. And it gave us like one of those, what we need to make the divergence. And we would have got long right in there somewhere. And if we would have held it all the way through the roaming hills, holy fuck, this is gold. Yeah, it went up 248 points. Gold. Should have been trading gold today. All I had to do was buy. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's it. That's all. That's the trades. Your stop loss always goes at the swing low. Never forget that. Bitcoin, is it still hanging up there? Yeah, and XRP's down. Oh, it sprung back up a little bit. That's good. That's a good boy. Let me see here something. It's fucking advertisements. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's it for today's setups. And like I said, I'm not an affiliate. I'm not trying to sell you anything, but I'm telling you, you should try this hydrogenated water, man. Maybe it'll heal some things, some problems you have. I don't know if you have problems. I sure do. I got like red legs, and it's from the swelling. It's from they call it inflammation. Inflammation. Yeah, inflammation. I think they call it inflammation. Inflammable. I don't know. It's inflammation. And it's not fun to have red legs. Like they're like red as a tomato, man, from my knees down. And I had these sores and shit. Oh yeah, it wasn't good. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you my legs. You go, holy fuck. Hold on a sec. How do I do this? I gotta put it on pause. One sec. Now this was 6 months ago, okay? It healed up since then, but look at these things. These are the size of like a lemon, or not a lemon, more like a lime. They're the size of a lime. Check them out, man. See the redness? I've had these red dots start back in 2014. I had one on top of my foot here too. And yeah, I stubbed my toe here. But you see this? You know what people fucking tell me? Oh, you're gonna lose your legs. They're gonna cut your legs off. These people tell me. All these medical people told me, "Oh, you're gonna lose your legs. You're gonna." And I said, "No, I'm not." I said, "If I'm gonna have to get my legs cut off, I'm just gonna die from infection, because I'm not gonna go through life with no fucking legs." And I don't want to, whatever they call a fake leg. I don't know what you call them. Something prosthetic, or I don't know. I don't know the name of it. But anyway, yeah. So my legs are a lot better than that now today. Okay, let me pause that again. And it's still going up. Look at that, eh? So yeah. So if any of you have inflamed, your legs or your arms or your hands are inflamed, this hydrogenated water can help you. That's all I can say. It cost $100 for this thing. It's pretty neat. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day, and that's it for the setups for today, and we'll see you tomorrow, and good luck and good trading.